Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these cookies and you don't even need a mixer. Let's get started. Start with 100 grams of powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. Next, add 100 grams of neutral oil. Then add 25 grams of beaten egg. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy. Now add 40 grams of melted butter. Mix again until fully incorporated. Add 230 grams of self-rising flour. Then add 30 grams of almond flour. Mix until the dough starts to come together. Gather it into a smooth, soft dough like this. This is the texture you want, crumbly but easy to press. Divide into 50-gram portions and roll into balls. I'm using a 5 centimeters cookie cutter ring to shape. Place one dough ball into the ring. Press it down using your palm until level. Use a small tool or rolling pin to make a dent in the center. Gently remove the cookie from the ring. Look how clean that is. Place the cookies on a tray and add black sesame seeds in the center. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Let them cool on the tray. These cookies are crispy outside and inside. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment to let me know how it turned out, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.